everywhere have been glued to the news to hear the latest breaking story about the coronavirus. But right now, I interrupt your regular program with this breaking news. Jesus is alive! Jesus exposed the phrase YOLO, you only live once, when he rose from the dead. The grave was empty and even death could not defeat his mission. This dancing raisin object lesson not only shows how excited we should be that Jesus is alive and will return soon, but it's also a prayer for God to wake up or resurrect your joy, peace, prayer life, relationship with him, but most of all, your love for him. Jesus is alive and wants to dwell in our hearts. So get excited. God loves you, and so do I.